fine. We're back at my bathroom. I don't understand why, but it feels like every other video I'm in my bathroom. But here we are again. You might be wondering to yourself, like, what the fuck are you wearing? This is not something I would normally wear, and that is true. This shirt has to be able to get dirty and all fucked up. And before I do anything else, I need to take off my jewelry. Today, I'm going to be dyeing my hair, and I am terribly afraid because I'm not going to dye my hair just any color. I'm going to dye my hair 2 colors, and I'm going to leave the reveal of those 2 colors for later in this video. You'll find out yourself eventually. But for one of the 2 colors, I have to bleach my hair. And yes, I'm going to do that myself. 2 colors. Let me explain a little bit on what I'm trying to do with those 2 colors. I have a picture right here. This is not the colors that I want it to be, but the hairstyle I want to go. You know those e-girls with the stripes? I don't I would normally like that, but I got called e-girl enough already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the front part of my hair like that and just bleach it. And obviously I'm not just gonna get a section like this. I'm actually gonna section it off so it looks good, hopefully. And I'm terribly afraid because I have never dyed my hair extreme color fully. And also I like my hair, don't get me wrong, I like my hair. It's just I think it would look really cute, and if it looked really bad, then that's that. I'm going to start sectioning my hair between what has to be bleached, which is going to be the front, and what doesn't, which is going to be the back. I'm just going to tell one of the 2 colors already. One color is going to be a natural black. I have this handy comb thing with a point, so I'm going to use that to section off my hair. But why do I look bald? I didn't think it's true. Is that even? I think it is. Okay. Also I have those I'm pretty sure it's widow thingies where my hair just goes, and it kind of looks like a bald spot. It's not, it's just how my hairline goes. You can see right here. You know, I have a triangle going. Looks equal to me. No, it does not. Wait. It looks kind of crooked, but it looks crooked evenly. I mean, more or less. Right? This is the next step. I think I want to have more. I think I want to have more dyed. I think. No, never mind. I'm just gonna do this because this is also the part that I need to bleach. But with this bleach, it says it's contradicting itself, right? Because it says that you have to do a test 48 hours beforehand, but it also says you have to throw away as soon as you open it. So it says as soon as you use the products, you have to throw it out. And they're stressing that as well. You cannot save this for even a couple of days. Okay, so it says that I have to break this, then put the powder in there, then put the cream in there, then put the top. I shouldn't break it, I should just twist it off. So let's do that. Oh, I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to smell it. I'm so nervous. I'm not allowed to fucking sniff it. My intuition says I should sniff it, but the packaging strongly advises not to. I need to pop it. Ew, that is fucking gross. I smelled it again. It smells nice. Okay, now I should just shake it. It tells you to do this first, and after you do this, you do this. Does it say how long you shake it for? Oh shit, okay. Fuck, wait. They should put on how long you should shake it for. It exploded. It said you should forcefully shake it, you know, with force. Didn't say for how long. So I thought I'm just gonna shake it until it feels shook, you know? What I didn't know is that the next step said immediately remove the cap afterwards. But then it followed up with to prevent explosion of the fucking mixture bottle. How did they expect me to do that and then save it, you know? Because I think I now know why you're not allowed to keep it after you use it, which is because it explodes. And it's saying to keep 3 centimeters. And after 15 minutes, I'm supposed to do the rest. I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it. But I'm going to follow it because I'm scared I will burn off my hair if I don't follow it. And if I follow it and it comes out shitty, I can tell them that they fucked up my hair. Because I literally have like video proof that I did what I was supposed to do. Except for the exploding part. This feels so wrong. But like, I'm not grabbing too big of a section, am I? But like, at the same time, it says you're not allowed to keep it longer for the duration of like what it says. But it's so vague of like how long you should leave it in. I mean, the fact that it exploded makes me like at least sure that I shook it enough, right? That's like a kind of aggressive way to tell you you shook enough, but it's fine. I like how I was so nervous and now I'm just like, fuck it, you know? I started off being like, I don't want to do it wrong. And that like vibe totally changed when I actually started to put it on my head. So like the part where I actually should worry about it. It doesn't like necessarily have to come out like great. The only thing that I need it to do is like lighten my hair a little bit. Like it can be orange, I don't care. Or yellow, I mean. Because I'm gonna go over it with a different color anyway. Is it already turning blonder? I don't know, is it? Oh my god, it is. I'm just drowning in it. Oh my god, it is so bad. Now, I'm gonna put a timer on. Okay, I'm gonna keep it on for 15 minutes. Then put it in my roots. Then wait for 25. I used to always tell myself that I didn't want to bleach my hair because I was gonna fuck it up. And look what it has come to that. Okay, so it's only been 15 minutes and I was gonna do 20 as I said. But it's already like so... I don't know if you can see that, but it's already so bright if I compare it to my normal hair. It's so bright. So I'm going to already do the roots right now and leave it on for another 15 because I'm scared it's gonna burn off my hair if I leave it in longer than that. Okay, puts fucking bleach on her hair, gets surprised that it's turning blonde. Yeah. Let me just wait until the timer goes up. It's time to rinse. I think I'm just gonna rinse it in my sink right here. It's hella orange, by the way, fuck. I mean, you guys will just have to deal with this being the angle. Okay? Okay. My hair texture seems fine. Okay, so what I was scared of happening, like right around this moment, is like everything falling out, which is not what's happening. So like, I mean, that's good, right? I mean, to be honest, it can still fall out, and if it does that, I'll just give myself a mullet. Like, worst things for it. Like, I think women with mullets are attractive. Shout out to you if you're a woman with a mullet, especially if it's colored. Colored mullets, yes. Should I give myself, no, I should not give myself a mullet. Oh, it's so yellow. Oh my God. So. Okay, this is probably the point where I start making bad decisions, but I'm thinking of putting it in from here and down for another like a couple of seconds. But first I'll have to like dry this. But I'm not gonna, like, I'm gonna leave it on max 5 minutes. Okay, so I got the second thing in. I put the toner that came with it in it. It doesn't seem to be doing much though. I have to shower now because the other hair dye asks for like towel dry hair. I mean, when I started using this, I already knew that my hair was gonna turn out yellow because a friend of mine said that already. This looks so weird. Okay, I'm gonna shower. Oh wait, it's recording, oh my God. I thought it turned it off. I'm gonna use that, that's too funny. Okay, bye! Okay, so I just got done showering. Oh my God. So basically I told the lady I would rather have too much than too little. So I have 3 bottles of natural black and I have 2 bottles of... Okay, so I'm gonna start with the front color because with the back color I might need help from my parents. Let me section off my hair again. So this time I'm gonna take it a little bit more professionally than I did the time before that, like with the bleach, because I didn't really care about the bleach. I do care what this will look like. This reminds me of what I used to look like when I was a kid. I used to have like my hair actually be this blonde. Also, I got this, which is like the old brush my mom used to use. It looks very dark. It looks darker than I thought it would look. It's also a lot thicker than I thought it was gonna be. Okay. Oh my God, okay. Okay, so like this is also not working. Let me put on these bad boys. Oh, got it on my face. You know what? Fuck it. No, actually, let's not fuck it. Wait, oh, I fucked it. Am I messy with this? Yes, definitely. I mean, if it looks good, it looks good. Am I right or am I right? I mean, at least I'm doing something with my life, right? I mean, I could be doing a lot worse things than this. For example, holding Corona parties. It looks well done. My face does not though. So that is a bit of an issue. I'm gonna fix that issue. Give me a second. I put Vaseline on there. That's gonna be an issue for another time. I'm pretty sure that's gonna stain my face. It stained my head. So that's gonna be fun. Guys, what the fuck? It didn't say it would explain the second time. What the fuck? Okay, are you ready to see? Are you ready to see what the green turned out as? Oh my god. Okay, that was also the first time I saw that, by the way. It's still very much on my forehead, but it is green. Holy fuck, it's green. Okay, I'll have my mom help me in a second, but I'll first have to eat dinner. Okay, be right back, guys. Progress. This looks so weird if you have no context. I'm a song for lady. Well, the black is now in the hair. I'm just afraid that it will get on the green. So let's just hear of like what's going on. What's going on? I can't see anything. Oh my god.
Cotton thing here.
Hello.
Candy.
I just look up. Ah! I like how it's recognizing both you guys' face and then just yeah, they're just like, that's a tree.
It is cool play when you got a roll as a tree.
I was a dog. I was the dog.
Oh my god, I remember.
The battery was dead, so I got a new one. I'm like a personal assistant. Okay, look at the progress. What the fuck are you doing?
Massaging it.
Wow. Oh! That's what pussy
Step bro!
What? Do you not watch porn?
Nah, this girl.
No.
Step bro, I'm stuck.
Step bro, help! I'm stuck. What are you doing, step bro? Wait, I need you to confirm this, okay? Isn't like vodka in Russian, like if you directly translate it, cute water?
I've never heard of that.
They say that
Yeah,
like
the same.
the second part is water and then the first.
Well, we also say like as a joke wodichka, which means like little water.
Yeah, little
Yeah.
little water.
But then you have to do the wing so they know it's like not really water, but I mean it looks like water, so.
I didn't know that different alcohols gave you different drunks. It like stings even if you. What did she just do? She almost fell. Yeah, I just.
Do that back.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck are you doing? It looks like I'm like one of those kids that don't want to get vaccinated and the people with the vaccination just have to hold them down. No, but I need to help them for a second. I'll just come back when this needs to get out. Okay.
Fuck zeg maar alsjeblieft dat je dit had filmen.
Ja.
Thanks. Oh, dat is niet fijn, jongens.
Probeer het even uit te knijpen zelf.
Oh, je kussen is ook...
The Grudge.
Ja, look. Oké.
Hey guys, it's the next day. It's time for me to show you what it looks like. Look! This is the final result. I'm overlit as fuck, I'm aware. But look at that. Look how good it looks. I feel so pretty. It came out a lot better than I expected it to. Wait, let me put myself a little bit less over exaggerated. Look at that! It looks so good. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm getting a text. No, but like I mean, to be fair, it's like still very much on my face because I wasn't careful enough to not get it on my face, so I'm stained green. It looks so much better than I actually anticipated it to look. Cause like I'm a little bit of an idiot, so like I always expect things like this to just go terribly wrong, you know? Like I was excited and I like hoped that I knew what I was doing, which I kind of did, apparently. Who knew? When you have high expectations, you're gonna get let down if something isn't right. And there's like definitely stuff that isn't right. Aside from me being stained. You see here, I did not put it to the roots, which I shouldn't have done. But you know, I can always touch it up, it's fine. I'm really excited about it. I think it looks great. They are like, oh, it actually looks really good. So like kind of technically they thought it would look bad, but it didn't. And it doesn't matter what they expected, it's what they think afterwards, right? If they're being honest. But yeah, thanks for coming on this journey with me. It was the first time for me dyeing my hair fully, like my whole head. My socials are all down in the description if you want to check me out. I have a lot of social media platforms that I'm very active on. And if you want to make me really happy, please consider subscribing. Okay, then I'll see you guys the next time. Peace out. I love it so much.